Like, it sounds retarded, okay?
No, it sounds
You can just take the binoculars and look into the wall. Hold it against the wall and look into it. Look at the shit you can see. It's crazy. You gotta go into it and hold it with your face as hard as you can.
I'm gonna slam my face into it.
I'm not.
What the fuck am I looking at, darling?
No,
What
look.
are you getting ready to do to me?
I'm not gonna do nothing. I'll even stand right here. Just look. You gotta put your face up against it, hold your face, and just look at all the weird stuff. I mean, really.
Hey. What the hell?
You don't see it?
No.
Is it me just because I'm high or something?
No, baby. Hold on. There is nothing here.
You don't see it?
No, I don't.
God.
Hold on.
It must be me.
I feel like... That's retarded going I do not see anything on this wall. If I back up, I do. But not when I'm right up against the wall. You fucking...
Look, I want to take a picture.
Why? Why would you take a picture? I look like shit. Why
What?
would you do that? You so stuck, dude. You so stuck. Hurry up and take the damn thing. You're gonna do
I'm videoing right now.
Oh, you...
You know why?
If I did that,
Yeah.
I fell for that crap. I'm gonna beat your ass. Boy.
Ain't
What are
that
you
funny?
doing? Oh, yeah. You got me good.
I know. I did.
Yeah, you did.
Come here. Come here.
How many other people did you get with that? Hi, guys.
My friend Alyssa. Look.
I'm gonna beat your ass. You're gonna have to give me something to wipe it off. Oh my God. Oh my face.
Makeup.
Beat your ass. Where is something?
Oh, I love it.
You're a dick. This is what I get for listening to a friend who I trust in, and then, I get this shit.
And this shit.
Well, okay. Damn. Give me just a wipe the crap off my phone.
Alright, say bye for the camera.
Yeah, bye for the camera.